This is my Nikon Z9. It worked perfectly when I first got it. However, it's been acting up more and more the longer I've had it. I've updated the firmware on it every time Nikon has made a new firmware version available. I have a fully charged battery in the camera. I'm going to insert 2 memory cards which work fine in other cameras. I have a ProGrade Cobalt 650 gig I'm putting in slot A, which is designated for RAW files. I have a Sony XQD Type G that I'm putting into slot B for recording JPEG files. Turn the camera on and I receive this error. I'm going to go to the menu. I'm going to format both memory cards. Okay. You'll see that I'm running version 1.11 on the camera and 1.10 on the Nikon 200-400 f4. I will now attempt to make photos. Okay. Sometimes the error message comes up every other photo, and sometimes it takes a few moments before it comes up. There it is. Take a picture, it comes back. 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 Obviously, this is not what I would expect from a professional camera. I carried this camera to a photo shoot yesterday, and thank goodness I had my Nikon Z7 that I could use to complete the assignment. Because if I did not, you can see it would have been very difficult to use this camera on the assignment.